So a little behind the scenes of behind the scenes. So right now we're on the roof for the condensing units of the walk-ins. So anytime you've ever been to a walk-in cooler and freezer, wondering what the heck cools that thing down, well, here we are. We have them outside in order to be able to have them take advantage of the cool air. So we had to get up on the roof and find the information form. Get your shutoffs. You get the boxes. I believe I'm going to have to get this thing open up to be able to find a number. Oh, and she kicks on. Check the sight glass for bubbles. So we're looking for what's called flashing. That should be liquid refrigerant running through it, not gas. If it's gas, then that means that there might be a leak in the line. Any number of problems, but that's why they have the sight glass there in the first place. And mostly just pollen and dust up here to blow out from the condensing unit so that she can breathe. This is basically the lungs and the heart of the machine. Hear the difference? That doesn't sound too good. Something's rubbing inside, so that might be ready to go soon. And yet, despite this not sounding as good, the sight glass is pretty clear, so it still looks like it's doing its job, even though it doesn't want to. This is always appreciated. Most of these units can run many different types of refrigerant. So if you're really lucky, somebody was really nice and just put a little bit of Sharpie on there saying what they put in for gas. So that's what they did here. So 44A, big help when it comes to having to try and diagnose something. If it's low on refrigerant, you can't put the different refrigerant in than what's already in there. Otherwise it's going to screw everything up. So that was very sweet of whoever was here last.